Top 10 Best Breakfasts Every Diabetic Must Know. Are you a diabetic struggling to find delicious and healthy breakfast options? Look no further. We're about to reveal the top 10 breakfast recipes that will keep your blood sugar stable and your taste buds happy. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, especially for diabetics. It sets the tone for your blood sugar levels and energy throughout the morning. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later and unstable glucose levels. A good diabetic breakfast should be low in carbohydrates, high in fiber, and contain healthy fats and protein. This combination helps slow down glucose absorption and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar. Choose steel-cut or rolled oats over instant varieties for a lower glycemic index. Top your oatmeal with a handful of berries for antioxidants and natural sweetness. Add a sprinkle of nuts for healthy fats and protein. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, beneficial for gut health. Opt for plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Cinnamon can help improve insulin sensitivity. Eggs are a protein powerhouse and a versatile breakfast option. Scramble them with your favorite non-starchy vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and onions. Vegetables add fiber and essential nutrients without significantly impacting blood sugar. Season with herbs and spices for extra flavor. Whole wheat toast provides complex carbohydrates and fiber. Top it with mashed avocado for healthy fats and a poached or fried egg for protein. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. This combination is satisfying and keeps you feeling full. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Combine them with unsweetened almond milk and your favorite flavorings. Let the mixture sit overnight to create a pudding-like consistency. Add berries, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein and calcium. Choose low-fat or fat-free varieties to reduce saturated fat intake. Pair it with a small serving of fruit like berries or sliced peaches. Add a handful of nuts for healthy fats and added crunch. Smoothies are a quick and easy way to get a nutritious breakfast. Blend unsweetened almond milk, protein powder, spinach, and berries. Add a tablespoon of nut butter for healthy fats and extra protein. Be mindful of the fruit content to avoid excessive sugar. Use a whole wheat tortilla and fill it with scrambled eggs, black beans, and salsa. Black beans are a great source of fiber and protein. Add some avocado for healthy fats and a sprinkle of cheese for flavor. This is a hearty and satisfying breakfast option. Don't limit yourself to traditional breakfast foods. Leftover grilled chicken, vegetables, or a small portion of brown rice can make a healthy and balanced breakfast. This is a great way to reduce food waste and ensure you're getting a nutritious meal. Just be mindful of portion sizes. For a vegan option, try a tofu scramble with your favorite vegetables. Tofu is a great source of plant-based protein. Crumble the tofu and sauté it with onions, peppers, and spinach. Season with turmeric for a vibrant color and added health benefits. Remember to focus on low carbohydrate, high fiber, and protein-rich options. Portion control is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to get creative and enjoy your breakfast. Now that you have these top 10 diabetic-friendly breakfast recipes, it's time to take action. Download our free recipe guide in the description below for detailed instructions and nutritional information. Subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly tips and recipes. Share this video with your friends and family who are also looking for healthy breakfast ideas. Start your day right with a delicious and blood sugar-friendly breakfast.